This strawberry upside down lime sour cream cake combines a butter rum roasted strawberry topping with an ultra moist lime sour cream cake bottom and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. To make the butter rum strawberry topping, melt 10 grams butter and mix with 10 grams brown sugar and 5 grams rum. Spread on the bottom of the skillet and add 3 strawberries cut side down. To make the lime sour cream cake, rub 2 grams of lime zest into 25 grams granulated sugar until fragrant. Cream the lime sugar with 25 grams room temperature butter, 5 grams lime juice, 15 grams sour cream, a splash of vanilla extract, and an egg yolk. Fold in 25 grams flour, an eighth of a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt until evenly distributed, being careful not to overmix. Spread the batter on top of the strawberries and bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 25 minutes. The strawberry upside down cake is done when a toothpick test comes out clean. Wait about 10 minutes or until the skillet is cool enough to handle. Use a small palette knife to free the cake from the top and sides, then invert it onto a plate. Serve with a scoop of ice cream.